Hello, welcome mathematics students, online students. I want to thank you for choosing Nash. My name is Mr. Hanson. I'll be your mathematics instructor for this semester. I just want to help you and go through a few things that I would like for you to know about our website, Moodle, and how to log into My MathClass Plus. So when you click on your browser, Google Chrome is fine. We're going to go to nashcc.edu. Click on Student Portals. Now, if you cannot remember your password to email or Moodle, which would be the same for both, you can click on Password Reset, and it will reset your password, and then you'll be able to get to your email and get to Moodle. Right now, we're going to be doing Moodle. And let me log out real quick so I can show you what the first page looks like. So this is what your login screen look like. Your first initial, middle initial, last name, and your last 3 digits of your ID number. And then whatever password here that you choose, that again is going to be the same as your email. And as far as email and Moodle is going to be exactly the same as far as password. So we log in. And I would like for you to click on your course. Now I have a bunch of courses that I teach. You might be different from your screen, but all my layouts for Moodle, the home page is going to look the same. So I'm just going to choose one for right now just to explain to everybody what the layout looks like. So I'm going to choose Math 121 online. Again, you find your course. If you're taking Math 171 or 122, you click on one of these two. So here is what the front page will look like. The first thing I would like for you to do is you have to click on enrollment verification activity. This will give, once you complete this assignment, you are now enrolled into the class. If you do not complete this assignment, none of this stuff down here as far as your assignment stuff will open up or you will be able to see it. This has to be done first. This is so important. The next thing you need to do is complete or upload your certificate. This is an online video. I think it takes about 30 to 40 minutes as far as you sitting down, looking at it, and then completing and getting your certificate with this. When both of these are completed, then everything down here will open up and you can start your assignments and start your the course. The next thing I would like for you to do once you complete these two is go ahead and sign up for Remind Me. Some of you already did that, which is wonderful. You saw that I've sent back a reply through via text. If you have not, please click on this and follow the instructions as far as getting signed on to a text messaging app. It's the fastest way to get in touch with me if you have a problem or if I need to communicate to you. I'm more than welcome to answer any emails. Here's my email address, or you can leave me a voicemail on my office phone. However, this is the fastest way. This will be the next fastest way if you want to email me, and then checking my phone. I'm not always in my office, so I won't be able to really catch your phone calls at the time, but I will answer all three. But this is probably your best bet that you need to do. The next thing you need to do is read over the syllabus. I can't stress that enough, that you read over the syllabus. Have any questions, make sure you get all the material, make sure you have understanding of the course. And then once you read over the syllabus, the next thing you need to do is start clicking on these little arrows, these drop arrows. So once you click down, there's some information here. Now, assignment due dates is different. Some students or layouts might have the assignments up here. It doesn't matter if it's in the induction or it's up here. You just click on it. I need you to print that out and put it in your notebook. The next best place to thing you need to probably do is take a picture of it. Put it on so you have a picture of it in your smartphone or whatever phone or device that you have. That way you will always have your assignments and when it's due, access to it. So you won't turn anything late with it, because if you turn anything late, then I either won't accept it or your points will be deducted from it. So it's important that you follow these assignment due dates, click on it, take a picture, keep it with you. So the next drop down after your induction, like I said, some is going to be different. Some has more, some has less. It will be your virtual email tent and email. The first thing is you need to send me an email back. Click on this link here, see the attachment, and here's the due date. Now for my Math 121 students, your due date is the August 18th. It might be different from my 171 or whatever, but you find your due date. Make sure you complete this assignment the first email is talking about sending me an email back. All the instructions is on the attachment. The virtual name tent, this is going to be, here's the instructions for part A, which is due on the 18th, and part B, which will be due on the 22nd. Again, it might be different from other courses. Mathematical courses having a different due dates, but you follow your due date for your class and then turn it in before it closes. So these are the first assignments. So once you fill in these two, then you can probably get started on your math. So here's the notes and stuff for math 121. 171, you might have your notes and videos and stuff, all that good stuff for it. You will then, once you review the notes, read the book, or read your sections, you click on the math online assignment, which is My Math Class Plus. Now, some of you might have this link here, or you might have the actual website laid out. So you just click over here with courses resources. Let me log out real quick so you can see what the login is. Your now mine is this, but yours is going to be exactly the same as your email and your Moodle. First initial, middle initial, last name, and last 3 digits of your ID number. Your password, however, is going to be different. It's going to be your 6-digit birthday. So, for instance, the first day of class is going to be 08/15/17. That's 6 digits of your here. So your birth date will go here. And make sure it's your 6-digit birth date. Again, I don't have the 3 digits, but you need 3 digits. First initial, middle initial, last name, and then the last 3 digits. So click on, you're going to click on fall. You won't have all these math courses. This is just what my layout it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on just maybe the pre-calculus 171. You find your math course that you're in and you click on that. And here is the layout of what it looks like. You can view all your assignments by clicking on viewing assignments here, and it was not going to be visible until the first day, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. I'm going to go through my access so you can kind of see sections 1.1, sections 1.5, sections 1.6, and the quiz menu. The first things is going to open on the first day. You will not be able to see the rest of these until these dates or the start dates, and then you will actually see these open up in your assignment. So this is your first assignment. The rest of these are blocked until this assignment, and here are your due dates. Once you complete these assignments, you can always check your grades. Let me go back to the main part by clicking on Gradebook. Once you click on Gradebook and complete your assignments, this will increase. You'll see this increase. All these stuff will start increasing, and then you can start seeing your scores from the last 2 weeks, the month, whatever the case may be on with it. Again, that's the layout of My Math Class Plus. You now see what Moodle looks like, what you need to do first and foremost in Moodle, and some of the assignments that I already have set up for you. Again, give me a text, send me an email, or give me a phone call if you have any questions or concerns with getting started with the course. Thank you.